Hi dear parents, today I am going to talk about importance of handwriting and how to develop fine motor skills. Child's development we can discuss under four main areas: cognitive development, emotional and social development, speech and language, and physical development. Cognitive development means how the child think, explore and figure the things out. So, it is the development of knowledge, skill, problem solving, critical thinking and dispositions which help children to think about and understanding the world around them. Brain development comes under cognitive development. Social and emotional development means child's ability to manage his own feelings and behaviors, and as well as understanding the feelings of others. Feelings of trust, confidence, pride, friendship, affection and humor. Speech and language means the skill we use to communicate with others. We form this skill first 6 years. Often talking and more reading can boost the skill. Physical development, basically we can divide two parts: growth and development. Physical growth means changes of size, weight and height. Physical development we can divide into two parts: gross motor skills and fine motor skills. These both skills together provides the coordination of body. Gross motor skills, coordination of large body parts such as running, jumping, hopping and rolling. Fine motor skills, coordination of small movements such as picking up small objects, holding the pencil and write. Now we all know writing is an important productive skill in child's development. Do you all know child needs to walk before run? The same way child needs to master fine motor skills, or we can say pre-writing skill molding activities before start legible handwriting. Now let us see what are the fine motor development activities. We can use paintbrush and write on sand tray. Instead of sand, we can use semolina or salt. The second method, we can use index finger and write on shaving cream. This is a very interesting activity. Third one, we can use squishy bags, or we can say sensory bags. This bag is perfect to practice strokes and patterns and numbers. The child can practice hand and finger movements on it. We can use dot markers as well. Do you know the glitter glue? Glitter glue also we can use to develop pre-writing skills. The next method is Play-Doh or clay. Pipe cleaners also ideal to practice pre-writing skills. We can use Lego blocks as well. All these things I'll teach you in my upcoming lessons. My next lesson is all about pre-writing skills, strokes and patterns. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.